how to enable or disable send last location in Find My iPhone on iPhone X. And okay guys, sir, in your mobile phone, go to settings. In settings, scroll down and go to privacy and security. In privacy and security, go to location services. In location services, go to share my location. Okay guys, sir, you can see the Find My iPhone and you can tap this and you can see here Find My iPhone, the send last location, and the send last location is disabled. To enable this, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, we have successfully enabled. If this enable, automatically send the location of this iPhone to Apple when the battery is critically low. And okay guys, we have successfully enabled. And to disable again, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, we have successfully enabled or disabled send last location and Find My iPhone on iPhone X.